In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the requester of a ticket in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Now, once you're inside the main dashboard, you should see this on your screen. On the left panel, you should see the view icon right here. This is where you can access all of your tickets right here as you can see. Now, click one of the tickets, especially the one that you want to change the requester on. Once you click on the right ticket, you should see the requester is right here. This is the current requester of this ticket. So, how do we change it? Click right here and then click on Add User. From here, type in the name of the new requester that you wish to add. Let's say, let's use this name for example. Then, use an email. After that, choose whether it is a user type or an end user rather, or a staff member. And once you're done with that, or if you choose staff member, choose the role. Once you've done with that, simply click on add. And as easy as that, you've changed the requester of a ticket in Zendesk. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.